My name is Janice Aldridge. Welcome to Ponderosa Pond. We're out in East Tennessee, and we're glad you're coming along for our little adventure. We hope you have as much fun as we do. Okay, these are black Jersey Giants, but they're babies. They're about 2 days old. And we just got them in from the co-op. They got their food, they got their water, and they were all huddled up, but we got the heat lamp on them, so now they're doing pretty good. So 2 days old. Yeah, the little cheeky chicks are 1 week old. 1 week old. I'll just put their food down there where they're pecking at. It didn't take but 2 days, and they were too big, and they were dumping their food dish over, so I just put it straight into their little area. They are 1 week old. I'm Janice from Ponderosa Pond Homestead. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoy living out here in East Tennessee. We live in the Smoky Mountains, and it's a beautiful area. We do most of our videos from our homestead, but we do occasionally just in the surrounding areas also. So if you would like to see more of these videos, then subscribe to our channel and ring that little notification bell. That way YouTube will let you know every time we upload a new video. We hope you enjoy them as much as we do. You all have a wonderful day.